Hey guys, my name is Hansen from Hansen Racing, and in today's video we're going to install a coilover and suspension kit on this 1984 El Camino. On the rear part of the suspension we're going to install these complete coilovers where we're going to run some 160-pound springs, and it should approximately lower the car, I guess, 3 to 2 inches. And we have 11 adjustments of valving on the shock too. So up front we're going to run the coilover with a 450 spring, and of course we have 6 valving options on your dampers. Now remember to grease up all your bearings and threads, so it's going to be easy to adjust the suspension once it's on the car. Also, of course, remember to install your frost bearings and give them some grease. So for the top shock mounts, you might have to drill out the holes to 3/8 and 10 millimeters to mount this bracket right here. So when you do mount the bracket, then you have to put the bolts in. Now the bolts go in this way, bolt up, and then the threads on the other side. If you do it the other way like this, the threads are gonna go in front of the other hole and you're not gonna be able to put in the other bolt.